So with this coronavirus, mortgage lenders are giving mortgage relief. And today we're talking about the 3 main questions you should be asking your lender. Hey guys, it's Adam Rodriguez.
And Lorianne Rodriguez with the Rodriguez team, where your goals are our priority. And thank you so much for joining us on today's video.
So homeowners whose finances have been hit by this coronavirus might want to consider postponing their mortgage payments.
Congress has offered some relief to mortgage borrowers who are experiencing financial strain from the coronavirus, which has led to a flood of layoffs throughout the country.
That's true. And the CARES Act, or the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security Act, has allowed homeowners with federally backed mortgages, which include loans that are owned by Freddie Mac or Fannie Mae, to apply for up to 12-month deferment in certain cases.
It's important to note that borrowers aren't being forgiven. Instead, the state and federal COVID-19 measures call for forbearance, which is the postponement or the reduction of the loan payment due, not loan forgiveness.
Which leads us to the first question. And the first question that you have to ask your loan servicer, of course, is, am I eligible?
Make sure you reach out to your loan servicer first to start the application process and let them know that you're experiencing financial difficulties due to the coronavirus. Your loan servicer is the company that you pay your mortgage to and not the person who originated the loan.
So whether you're eligible for relief under the Federal CARE Act or maybe a state plan really all depends on who owns your loan. And the second question you have to ask is, what happens to my payments after the deferment period? And on top of that, will the missed mortgage payments be folded into a future payment? Will they be tacked onto the end of the mortgage, which could add a few months later on at the end of your term? Or could they all be due in a lump sum later on?
And it's always good to know what you're getting yourself into. Some homeowners who are having a hard time paying the loan may be able to work with the servicer and restructure the mortgage altogether.
And finally, the third question is, what does this mean for property taxes and homeowners insurance?
Many homeowners use an escrow account to set aside a portion of each mortgage payment to go toward homeowners insurance premiums and property taxes.
So make sure you ask your servicer what will happen to those expenses if they do suspend your mortgage payments, because the CARE Act doesn't really give much clarity to that. And your servicer may actually cover the cost for your insurance premiums and property tax because it's really protecting its investment in your home.
And if your servicer pays it, make sure you find out what's going to happen during the time you're not making payments. What happens if they do end up paying it? And how does it all get figured out at the end?
Yeah, ask a lot of questions. So delaying your mortgage payment sounds like a great idea, especially if you're struggling through the pandemic. But just make sure you're asking the right questions and have a really clear understanding of what you're getting yourself into. Because the last thing you want to do is have it end up hurting you later on rather than helping you.
If you have any questions, or you're thinking of buying or selling a home, or if you have a topic that you'd like us to cover in one of these videos, send us an email or give us a call at 407-519-0627. We look forward to hearing from you.
See you on the next one.